Si Kuya Kiel. Alright. Kuya Kiel, ilang taon ka na po? Oh, ito yung baby. Alright, tingnan nga natin. Say happy birthday, Kion. Ready? Go! Happy birthday, Kion! Malakpakan natin si Kuya Kiel. Very good. Alright, next we have Kuya Miko. Kuya Miko, ilang taon ka na po? 8. Ready ka na ba?
Matanda na kayo.
Alright, si Kuya Miko mukhang may bawal din siya, no? Tingnan natin. Alright, say happy birthday, Kion. Ready? Go! Happy birthday, Kion. 34 seconds! Alright, very good. Ayan, ayan, si Kuya Miko with the 34 seconds. Next we have Kuya Andre. Kuya, ilang taon ka na po? 8. Ready ka na ba? Alright, mukhang may fans club ba si Kuya Andre?
Teka,
ano?
teka yung si Kian.
Alright, say happy birthday, Kion. Ready? Go! Happy birthday, Kion! 31 seconds! Ano? Okay na ako si Kuya Andre? Alright. Tingnan lang natin ngayon ang ating birthday celebrator na si Kuya Kion.
Ayan si Kian na si Kian.
Alright, Kuya. Sasabihin ko lang, happy birthday to me. Ready? Go! Happy birthday to me. 32 seconds! Palakpakan naman natin si Kuya Kion. Alright, wala na bang
Umarang
umabot
naman.
kay Kuya Miko with 34 seconds?
Darcy!
Alright, dahil dyan, congratulations Kuya Miko and get your name prize to Kuya Charles.
Ang ganda na yun. Panalo ni Kion. Siya pa rin nanalo.